Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Terri with Terri's Travels. This afternoon, I am going to run in here to Aldi's, and it's a little grocery store here in Brookhaven, Mississippi. I've never shopped here before, but I hear they've got good prices, and they do have, some really good vegetables and things in here that I would like to pick up for my next camping trip coming up here in the next couple of days. While I am camping, I'm not going to cook, but I am going to go on and pre-cook before I go, and go on and put it in separate containers so that it's very convenient for me to just pull out of my cooler and use and eat. And that way it'll just be, I don't want to spend my whole camping weekend cooking, so I'm going to do it all beforehand and then take it with me. So, but anyway, let's go in here, let's do a little bit of shopping, and then when we get home, we'll do some food prep, and y'all can see what I do before I get ready to go on my camping trips. It's going to be a good day. It is a beautiful, glorious day. There's a few clouds in the sky. We really are desperate for rain. I think the high today is like 95. Also, the reason for the sunglasses. So a couple of days ago, I got out in my yard and I cut grass, and because it's so dry, it kicked up a lot of dust, and I didn't realize that it irritated my eyes the way it did. But my eyes are very, very sensitive to the light right now. So when I'm out and about, I have to wear the sunglasses. Now when I get inside the store, I'll take them off. But right now, these are saving my eyes, y'all. Whew, it's been a rough one just this week, trying to deal with all the dust and no rain. But it does look like we're getting a few rain clouds rolling in, so maybe we'll get a little bit of relief. I really do need to find me some snacks to eat on so that I can avoid pulling over at a gas station somewhere and being tempted on buying potato chips or chocolate or something. So let's get in here and see what we can find. I plan on taking some of these grapes with me on my camping trip. So I washed them. I've got them laid out here on this towel, letting them dry out really good. And then I'm gonna pack them up in a container, and I'm gonna take these with me. I love grapes, and it's a better alternative to potato chips, which I absolutely love. But I'm gonna rock and roll with these grapes. Well, y'all, it's the next day, and I had to catch up on some things yesterday afternoon, so I did not get to finish my video. But anyway, so whenever I got home, I got everything unpacked, and then one of my clients was good enough to give me some okra, so I took the time to cut all that up and put it in the freezer, because I love fried okra. I absolutely love it. And it was very nice for her to give me the okra, so it came straight out of her garden. So I wanted to show y'all, what I did is I started cutting up my bell pepper. I love bell pepper to snack on. I have the hummus, and I eat a lot of this. And instead of using crackers or anything like that, which I love, crackers and potato chips, but I use this. I eat this, and I usually dip it with like cucumbers or bell pepper. So, but I'm going to pack this up, and this is what I'm going to take with me, so I'll have something to snack on. And if you hadn't realized something about me, I am a dipper. I love finger foods. I'd much rather eat finger foods, I guess, than anything. I did put out some chicken, so I'm going to do some chicken tacos on this trip. So I'm gonna cook it here, and then I'm just gonna pack it and take it with me in small serving sizes. And I'm gonna take that with me. And I'm also gonna take some stuff to make a green salad with, because I eat a salad almost every day. So I wanted to show y'all, I've got my grapes here, and what I did is I washed those and dried them. And I put some in there for me for today when I go to work. But anyway, I usually put a paper towel down in the bottom of my container, and then I'll put one on top to help, with the moisture. Ordinarily, I use like glass jars, but I don't have any of those. I used them while I was doing some canning this year. But anyway, so I'm going to use this for now. And I just take it and cover it up and put it in my refrigerator, and then take it out in servings. Like I'll snack on these all day long today. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take these with me when I go camping too. So, but I'm gonna finish cutting up this. Also, I think what I'm gonna do is I bought these yesterday. These little petite steaks. And this is the perfect size for me. I honestly, probably one of them is a little too much, but I think I'm gonna take one of these out, and I'm gonna cook it, and then I'm gonna freeze the other two. So, and I'm gonna take this with me too. That's a lot of food for just one weekend, I feel like, but I like to have a variety. What do you pack whenever what kind of foods did you pack whenever you go on your trips? I would love to know. I'd love to have some good ideas, healthy ideas, things that, ideas that will keep me healthy as much as I can be. So, but anyway, give me some ideas, because I would love to know your input. But for now, I think I'm gonna bag this up and get it in my refrigerator so that I can take it with me on my camping trip. Well, this is what I'm going to be taking on my camping trip this weekend. This is a summary. I'm going to take this for a snack. I love to snack on these too, my little cherry tomatoes. But I'm going to use these in my salad. My lettuce, this is my salad stuff. Along with, this is my salad dressing. I like to make my own salad dressing. I use Duke's mayonnaise, and with the help of the ranch dressing mix and a little bit of almond milk, and I mix that up, and this makes great dressing. I'm just gonna say, I love it. So for breakfast, I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna scramble some eggs and make an omelet with a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna make an omelet for breakfast. And then also, these little bitty wraps right here, I buy these at Sam's, and what I do is I buy a big pack of them, and I package them in these little baggies individually, and then I put them in a big freezer gallon bag, and I freeze what I don't use, and I just take them out individually, like in pairs of like 2. And so I'll be using that with my chicken tacos. So, and my lettuce and my tomato. So that's pretty much what I think I'm going to take for my camping trip. I can't think of anything else that I really do need, other than my drinks, and I'll take water and Gatorade. And I think I should be set. Also, this afternoon, I will begin to start packing my van. I'm going to take my tent, and I'm also going to take my moped. I am so excited about that. But I'm going to go have a great weekend. I'm going to camp. I'm going to eat. I'm going to ride my moped, and I'm going to go explore the parks. So I hope this video has been helpful. I really do try to eat as healthy as I can, and sometimes I do a good job of it, sometimes I don't. I do like to mix shakes, but I won't be doing that this weekend. But anyway, all that being said, if you enjoyed my videos, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.